12 now, and as the sun is rising, we're getting a better picture of just how that haze is impacting us this morning. Still a bit of smoke in our region, but it is an improvement from what we saw yesterday. The bad news is after some improvement overnight into this morning, we could see another round of smoke coming in from Northern California and Oregon into our region. So we still have that air quality alert in place for Clark County. We also have visibility improving quite a bit today. Yesterday, we saw that down to 4-5 miles per hour in some regions like Boulder City. Today, that is right back up to 10 miles per hour. So conditions are improving as far as visibility and concentration of that smoke, but you'll still want to take cautions as far as any strenuous outdoor activity today. Temperatures 80 degrees for Las Vegas, 82 for Henderson, 76 for Centennial Hills. Today's planner showing we do have the return of wind. Southwest winds picking up to 12 miles per hour by noontime, 15 by around 4 p.m. Expect to see gusts up to 25-30 here in the valley, closer to 35 for local mountains. So temps going to be hitting that 105 mark by around 4 p.m. with daytime highs landing at 107. So we're still above average temperature wise for this time of year. Spots like Laughlin 114, Pahrump at 105 today, and Mesquite hitting 109 degrees. Now lows tonight going to be falling into the low 80s and upper 70s, making for another mild and warm start to your day on your Monday morning. And we expect plenty of sunshine as well. We will see some moderate air quality forecasted for our region tomorrow. Still have some smoke concerns as well as ozone. Temperature is going to stay very similar, starting out in the mid 80s. Landing in the hundreds by around noontime and right around 105 by around 4 p.m. Here's a look at Desert Doppler. We are nice and quiet and staying very dry right now. We've had high pressure kind of taking hold here, but you can see that dry air over our region will be pushed out by some monsoon moisture pushing into our region by Monday into Tuesday, and it's only increasing as we get into the later portions of the week. So there is a potential for some isolated storms as we get into the rest of the week. We'll see that starting up on Tuesday, increasing chances by Wednesday, but the better chance of seeing any widespread showers will be for northwest Arizona for now. So look at that weather pattern that's bringing on the change. We'll see this system dropping in midweek, not expecting it to bring any rainfall, but we do expect it to bring some wind. So by Monday, those gusts closer to 20 miles per hour. Tuesday, likely going to be downright windy with gusts to 30-35 with a bit of a breeze sticking around through Wednesday. Live look outside right now, that sunrise looking very pleasant. We do have some cloud cover and some monsoon moisture in play right now. Here's a look at the system that's bringing that. We're just on the far west side seeing some slight impact. So maybe an increase in humidity and a very small chance of maybe seeing a few sprinkles for us this morning, and only a 10% chance lingering through the afternoon. Here's a look at Futurecast models. You can see we do expect mostly sunny skies, but don't rule out, again, a spotty shower or two throughout the day. Temperatures right now 74 degrees for McCarran Airport, 76 right now for Henderson as well as Laughlin, and upper 60s in Pahrump this morning. Over the next 6 hours, a mixture of sun and clouds. That brings us to 82 degrees by 10 a.m. We're seeing partly cloudy skies through the morning, more sunshine later on in the afternoon. That Raiders versus Dolphins game, 94 degrees for that daytime high today. Wind speed staying a nice 6 miles per hour, so that shouldn't be a problem for you. But again, don't rule out a sprinkle or two. Should not rain on any of those game day plans. Around our region, we're looking at closer to 97 for Laughlin, 96 for Overton, low 90s in Pahrump, and a nice cool 70 degrees for Mount Charleston today. And tonight for Golden Knights versus Sharks, the first preseason game, very exciting. It is going to be pretty warm outside as the game starts. Puck drop, 91 degrees, clear skies. Those wind speeds staying right around 6 miles per hour, 82 degrees for post-game, right around 10 p.m. Now lows tonight will fall into the low 70s once again and upper 60s. We expect clear and very mild conditions, but a bit more wind again moving in by tomorrow afternoon. So those gusts picking up to right around 20 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon with the winds or those temperatures in the low 90s. From there, we're watching for upper 80s by Tuesday. Low 80s by Wednesday, but that looks to be the coolest day of the week with a bit of a breeze and that 10% storm. 38 on your Saturday morning. Temperatures starting in the 40s, so it's worth a life jacket if you're heading out for an early morning walk with your dog this morning. And those chilly conditions going to stick around for just a few more hours. So 42 right now in Green Valley, for the upper 30s in Anthem, those higher elevations feeling a bit more of that cool air. 31 degrees right now for Mount Charleston. So an early morning hike up in the mountains certainly warrants a few layers. Here's a look at what to expect through the rest of your day. Very pleasant to get outside and enjoy, whether you're hiking, biking, golfing, all of the above should be very pleasant today. By 1 o'clock, we're at 67. We continue with those upper 60s and low 70s for some neighborhoods by this afternoon. Southeast winds right around 2 to 5 miles per hour. We'll enjoy these nice light wind speeds for now because winds of change are on the way. But until then, our temperatures continuing to stay above average for this time of year by about 5 degrees. Overnight temps falling into the 40s. We'll see 42 for spots like Dolan Springs, 50 degrees for Laughlin, and 37 for Pahrump overnight. But if you're sniffling and sneezing a lot over the last couple of days, that's because our pollen forecast is high as we are inching away from winter and closer to spring. The two culprits here are going to be ash and elm. Looking for that snow. We still have it up at Lee Canyon. Those temperatures landing in the low 40s today and upper 40s tomorrow with a bit more wind and cloud cover as well. You'll see those southwest winds really starting to pick up on Monday, and that's when that system rolls into most of southern Nevada, bringing some change for us. Red Rock Canyon also going to see those breezy conditions moving in tomorrow into Monday, but until then, today a beautiful 64 degrees under mostly sunny skies. Now, here's what that wind does. On Monday, we're looking at 68 degrees, partly cloudy skies. By Tuesday, we're watching for a 20% rain chance, both Tuesday